Look at this entry board. They're starting to get a little jammed up. It's time to pull that entrance reducer and widen that opening just a little bit, but guess what? Sometimes it's stuck with propolis and wax, and it's not easy to pull out. You can push it with a screwdriver, pull it with your Hive tool, but I made my own little entrance reducer puller here. Look at this thing. 1/4 20 4-point knob, 1/4 20 J-bolt that's just 6 inches long. You can stick it through any piece of random scrap wood you have. I just drilled a 1/4 inch hole in that. Thicker the wood, the better it holds the alignment, and we're just going to push that right against the front edge of the landing board, and we're going to stick the J-hook right inside the opening, and we're going to pull this out without any bumping or tapping, and it's not going to annoy the bees. Watch this. Very simple. Look at all that pollen going in there. These are Saskatraz bees, and they're doing fantastic. Let's give them a bigger opening. So we just take the hook, bump it right across the front there, slide it to the left, hook it on the inside, and just start turning that 4-point knob. And it just pulls it out nice and easy. The bees don't even care. If I hit on this with a screwdriver, use my Hive tool, I block the entrance more, and I do some bumping and jarring, so I'm not even smoking these little rascals. We're just going to get this right out. Very easy. And that's all you need. A J-bolt, this is zinc plated, and the 4-point knob and a piece of wood. And then we're going to get that opening. There goes a little beetle there, a little tan one. That is not a varroa mite, in case you're wondering. And once it's out, you just take it to your shop, cut it a little bigger opening for them, and then we're going to put the next one right back in. You also get to see, look at all the debris that ends up being between your entrance reducer and the actual brood box here. Little tan beetle, don't even know what species that is. But anyway, now everything's accessible to the bees, and then clean that up. Well, you take this off to the shop. A couple little baby waxworms there off to the left that again were hidden in the gap between the entrance reducer and the box. Now the bees can get rid of those too. And now we have the wider opening. Push it right back in there, and the bees are back in business. No more traffic jam. So I hope you're having a great week, enjoying your honey flow right now, which is going on in the Northeast. All this pollen's coming in. The bee populations are up. They're bringing in honey like crazy. The Saskatraz bees are doing fantastic, and I hope you appreciate the tool that I shared with you today. And you generally want an opening that's 1.5 inches in diameter at the bottom there. But sometimes you have to open it a little more or reduce it. Robbing season's coming. Thanks for watching.